We are here, we are here, we are here. This amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up USEA stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, only candle on the monthly time frame, is a bullish green candle with a wick. It can follow up with another bullish green candle to work its way up for an incline, or we can get price and line up side by side, candle line up side by side, that can create that consolidation in the market before the market drops down lower or picks up from a break and retest and work its way up further. So we have price action currently here. Higher highs of the overall candle. The lower lows of the overall candle. Midpoint in the middle. And let's see what's going on at current price. Headed down to weekly time frame. Price action, last candle mark is a doji, a long wick down to the bottom that can be creating an area of support for the market to push up, or we can receive a candle within this area that can work its way sideways for that consolidation, or we can receive a bearish candle that breaks down, close out. We may see that decline in the market for the drop. Second last candle, so that's the first candle in the market, has pushed up for that first leg. Price action candle, the doji with the long wick, is the retest of the midpoint line that we created on the monthly time frame. Headed down to the daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame is a bullish green candle working its way up from the second last candle, which is a solid bearish candle, small one, not dominant at all, that created a area of support on that second level lows between the midpoint and lowest low. So we do have that overall midpoint right in the middle. Price action first candle in the market is a bullish green candle. So what the market did was pushed up to the high, came back for a retest, broke that midpoint retest area, came back up to touch the midpoint once again. So will we follow up with the M pattern that's going to create that M, drop that market down back to the beginning where price started off at? Or is that market is working its way for a break of that market and will follow up with a retest and a breakout that can create that second leg, follow up with a third leg, and we may see a fourth leg that creates that incline double bottom. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is a doji. You can see it sitting on a midpoint line that we did create from the previous time frame. So what the market's doing is creating that first leg, second leg, price action, doji, bearish, is the retest of that third leg. It can follow with a bullish green candle that can push that market up for that W. If not, if we receive a bearish red candle that's going to engulf, that can engulf the second last candle. If we receive that closeout, market can be working its way down. That'll be overall break, retest, look for the pattern, engulfment pattern, or a pattern in that area that push that market down. Headed down to a 3-hour time frame, 4-hour, 3-hour, identifying the same thing. Headed down to the 2, now we're receiving some support, the second last candle, price action candle is a doji, green bullish doji that hasn't formed. It did much yet. So the green bullish doji, which is price action, side by side with the second last candle. So market is just in that consolidation, working its way down, working its way sideways. So what the market did was it broke the midpoint, came back for a slight retest, still considered consolidation because it's side by side, and it's working its way side by side until we receive that breakout to the upside or to the downside. Headed down to the 1 hour time frame to see more the consolidation. Market broke up, worked its way sideways, touched the bottom, the bullish green candle for support. Still waiting for an engulfment pattern in that area. Price action, second last candle, doji, still waiting for the engulfment pattern of the third last candle in the market. Maybe the fourth to push that market up, or a pattern to form in this area. So if so, that market will be identifying the break, the retest, for engulfment pattern so far with the third last candle in the market, for that market to push up after the break and retest. Get down to the 30-minute time frame, we can see a little bit more structure. Let's stretch it out. So what we see is that first leg coming up. Market came back to retest, second leg, third leg pushed up. Market came down for overall fourth leg, so we can see that M pattern that's trying to form, or formed already. So we're going to see if we're going to receive a break of that area. If we do, it's going to follow up with a retest and see if that market is going to work its way down further. If this market is expected for the support is on, we'll be identifying the first leg, second leg, third leg, waiting for an engulfment pattern to happen for that market to push up. The price action or the second last candle for the closeout to the upside or downside. So if it closes up in a bullish green candle, we can see that market is going to create that W first, second, third, push up out of that third leg, create that W. Get down to the 15-minute time frame. Price action, second last candle, third last candle. Consolidation is a dojis. So market still working its way sideways, a continuation with the fourth, fifth, and sixth last candle. So if this market is going to push up, push down, we want to see so far a pattern in this area, or price engulf the sixth or last candle of the market with a closeout to push that market up, or to the downside to push that market down to the overall midpoint line that we created in red and green. On the 5-minute time frame, so we can see that area of support. So if this area is respected, we can see that first, second, third, fourth retest, market pushed up. So it'd be 3 pushes from that bottom, triple bottom, retest, and we're going to see if the market's going to engulf this area here, which is trying to engulf the second, third, the fourth to last candle in the market to close up to the upside. Or we may be looking for the close out to the second, third last candle to push that market down for multiple pushes to the top for the first leg, second leg, overall third leg, and market drops down for that fourth leg. Head down to the 3-minute time frame. Price action in the 3-minute time frame is a doji, so it's coming from an area of a pattern of that W. So we can see that first leg, second leg, third leg, and the fourth leg finally broke the SR line, came back to retest with the price action side by side with the second last candle, waiting for an engulfment pattern in this area to see if that market's going to push up for that W. If not, it's pushing down, which will come from 1, 2, create that fourth leg from that double top that we see. Headed down to the 1-minute time frame. Same as well, got that doji. We see the doji again lined up with the second, third, fourth, fifth last candle market. I see something engulf this area here, at least the fourth to last candle, at least the fifth to last candle of the market to engulf and close out to push that market up unless that market coming down. If it breaks the resistance, break the support. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. USEA